Welcome to my coffee channel. I am Thomas, and I have been experimenting for the last several days, seeing if I could come up with the world's best espresso for 2020. I started with two extremely excellent coffees. The JBC Nano Giant number 4, I gave it a 96. Coffee Review gave it a 96. And then there was the Sweet Shop Espresso from Square Mile from James Hoffman's company. There again, I gave it a 96. Extremely good, all third wave, very fruity espressos. But on both of these, it just seemed to be lacking a little edge. The edge that I like. Maybe I like an Italian type espresso that has a little kick to the end of it. So what I did was I went out and I researched some of the best Robustas I could find. I have a Highland Vietnamese Robusta, and then I got a Robusta Peaberry from India. This was a medium roast. This is the light roast, natural processed, washed. And I have been blending these all together in different ways for the last couple of days, and I think I have a grand champion espresso now that I would call a gold medal winner. And basically, even though it was an extremely close race between the two with all the different blends, the blend I came up with was the Square Mile Sweet Shop with a 10% of the Vietnamese Robusta. And I'm going to make some of it for you and show it to you. So we're going to turn on our scale. So we're going to make a 16-gram shot. So we're going to go with 1.6 grams of the a little too much. Okay, so we got 1.6 grams of that. And then we are going to go with the rest of the Sweet Shop to get us to 16 grams. Okay, so we are at 16 grams. I'm going to grind it. Beautiful. Smells so sweet, so good. And we're going to go for a 32-gram shot. Zero it out. We have exactly 32-gram shot here. Look at that awesome crema. Beautiful. Very sweet aroma. I can now smell that edginess of the caffeine from the Robusta. Now that is excellent. Not only sweet, full-mouthed, blows away all of my sense of scent taste, but it has that nice little kick of caffeine that I like in my espresso. I would bet this is a gold medal, golden bean winner. James Hoffman, I think you should give it a try. And anyway, this is all I wanted to share with you today, a short video. But anyway, if you have not hit that subscribe button yet, please do so. And if you like this video, hit the like button. I highly appreciate it. Helps people find the channel. Have a great day.